Hey everyone, this is my old man Roger.
Hello.
Today we're going to show you the FC. So we're going to start off, we'll take it for a quick run, and then we'll show you around and give you a quick look at it. Go on, give it some revs. Wow. Second floor clutch.
There we go.
Alright, so tell us about what's under here.
It's 179, 3565 cam, extractors, electronic dizzy, 350 Holly, 4-speed gearbox, HR front end disc brakes, Claxton horn, wolf whistle, 12 volt coil, windscreen washers,
What's with the tap?
heater hoses.
Heater hoses.
We
What's your bottle up there then?
That's for putting valve saver in it. If you want to run valve saver through it, run straight directly into the carby.
Ew. Yeah.
I don't use valve saver because I don't need to, but I left the bottle on there because it's old school.
And you did the brakes?
Yeah, the whole front brakes have been completely renewed. The booster's got a standalone vacuum tank under this front guard. New rotors, wheel bearings, discs, the whole lot, the whole front end, brake linings, all brand new.
Nice.
Been rewired, as you can see.
Yeah, and the amp wiring and stuff.
Yeah, all the wiring for the amp in the boot. HR steering column. Sway bar, heavy sway bar on the front, heavy sway bar on the back.
Alright, what about inside?
Hasn't been cleaned, so excuse the dirt. The new door cards on the front, both sides. I made them up yesterday and fitted them on. Just use the old upholstery, just put new wood behind it. And you see it's got an EH console, all the gauges, Looks nice and chromy. Been upholstered sometime in the past with black velour inserts. No rattles, no squeaks, goes well. I don't normally drive it that hard. I just wanted to make a short video. HR rear end. Hey Mark. 3.56 diff in the back, 14-inch wheels, goes well. Good chrome. Good wheels. Wheels don't have a mark on them.
So I guess that's about it for now. That's my old man. That's his FC. I think he's trying to sell it at the moment. That's why he wanted me to make a video, so we can show all his mates and whoever. It's an awesome car. I don't want him to sell it. I wish we could keep it. It becomes my loaner car when the Datsun's off the road, because it's the only spare car around. So yeah, I'd rather keep it, but can't win all of them. Or go to the bank and buy it, but don't tempt me. Alright, take it easy, and catch us tomorrow.